last time on Salt to Snow. So chains were required once I started to get up into the Sierras.
This place is sick, dude.
First day in Mammoth, Powder Fest. What do you do if there's a bear on your car? Now, I gotta say, I am very fortunate that I didn't get mauled by that bear, and I realize that. So no need to let me know how foolish this was, because I know it was. But it's pretty rare to get good footage of a bear just lunging at you without having a horror story behind it. But the next day was just beautiful Bluebird Day.
This could be your last split. Be your last split. Last split. Be your last split. Last split.
Oh, yeah.
No, I ain't trying to waste my time getting ready for.
I did have a little bit of an injury. You can go ahead and check that out. Made a tutorial on what to do if you get injured on the mountain. It's underneath the snow playlist. But I packed up my gear, pushed the snow off my car, and drove straight to the scuba diving charter boat I work on in Long Beach.
Conflict in a vision I was given on the state of a dream. On the eve of the night we smashed out. Some might even get to make it home, but the rest gonna have to take a casket out. And when I look into the hearts of men, I see the big bad wolf in the darkest end. That's what it's all about. You come down when the lion is up, and then the battle is on with no shadow of a doubt. So here we all lay, steady waiting for the break of day.
Mammoth snow.
You get smoked, so to come prepared is no
For good luck and good fortune for the future, for Salt to Snow.
Now on Friday, my friend and I, who I work with, went lobster diving, and I definitely did not expect this next thing to happen, but I'm really glad it did.
Underneath the familiar ground to the beat of a brand new sound. This ain't time for no education. Death don't wait for your revelation. I think it's not time for the medication. All aboard for the collective meditation with a bird's eye view of all God's creation. It's a masterpiece from the sunset clip. Now light that shit up, hold it down, homie. This could be your last.
Now I've been waiting to just see a lobster this size since I started hunting. And not only did I see a lobster this size, but I freaking caught that thing. It ended up being 12.5 pounds. And we took it to the grocery store and had it weighed.
Close your eyes while you hold it in. You want to think about the place that you are within. You want to bring a little peace to your heart and send them relax and exhale the exhaust.
And that weekend in Catalina was just beautiful. Crystal clear conditions. Now winter scuba diving, yeah, it's a little bit colder, but it is well worth the visibility.
What you have to do, cause our time is up, no place to go but up the food chain to remain below where there's no survival. So if you don't grow, you're stuck in a matrix and can't let go. It's alright to live, alright to die. It's alright to raise kids with a house and wife. It's our job to teach them what's wrong or right. You gotta show them how to like and eclipse the night. The inevitable storm coming this way. Everybody say what you got to say. You better
pack my car back up, my 12.5 pound lobster, and took it home.
We're finishing the first episode right here, end of vlog number 1, and if this isn't Salt to Snow, I don't know what is.
I'm so happy to be able to share my adventures with you guys and give you advice on how to make the most out of yours. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. And you can follow me on a daily basis on my Instagram, salt_2_snow, and on my Facebook page. So until next time, get out there and seek those adventures. Go check out my buddy Ross May. He's the musician who's let me use his music for Salt to Snow. I'm extremely grateful for him.